Hello my dear friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I hope everything is be okay. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you for support my channel. Thank you for everything that you give me. Today I want to show you how you can make 3D object and then make animation for yourself. So let's go. I'm go to the image to STL. Already I'm told you this website that's very good for convert 2D PNG and GPG image to 3D STL mesh file. So you can upload your file in here. I'm select this. Okay, I'm come down and select this D file and go to here and come down. I'm select this bird, yes, and come to here. You have more option in here. First tools, I'm select this option and instituted color, select this option. Okay, I'm come down and here you have width, height, depth. You can change this number for yourself and merge similar colors. I'm select on the auto and save as 3D file. I'm select X3D, yeah, convert to X3D. Yes, I'm wait for that. Yes, that's ready. So beautiful. Yeah, you can make 3D object that's named birds. Now you can download this file for yourself. Yeah, that's download. I'm go to the download and select this, yes, and extract to the download. Okay, and it's ready. So my work in this website is over. Now I'm go to the Blender, yes, I'm wait to Blender is uploading, yeah. Yes, that's ready. I'm select this general and delete this cube. I'm go to the file and import, import and select this option X3D extension 3D XTD. I'm go to the download where I'm executed this file and select this. Now import, select this import X3D VRML2. Click. Now it's ready. So beautiful. So beautiful. Now for that all of this part that is be one object, I'm get a Control plus J, yes, Control, or select all of this part in here and Control J. Now it's ready. Yes, that's so beautiful. Now I can small this, yeah. I'm select this landscape for that, yeah, very good. I'm go to down, go to the viewport shading in here, yes. I'm go to the invert and select in here, but So I'm 0, I do 0 this number, and get Shift A and select this light. Type of is not important, but I'm select this area light. Now I'm pick that, yes, and go to the object data properties, select power 300, yes. Wow, it's need more, yes, that's enough. I'm copy this again and copy again for back that, and copy again for back that. I'm down, it's ready, yes, that's so beautiful. Yeah, it's ready. I'm go to the render engine, select this cycle GPU. Wow, that's so beautiful. And go to the landscape and select this new and surface. I'm on the metallic, yeah, and no, it's not. And base color on the red, select red, base color I'm putting on the red. Now it's ready. I should select, I should delete this camera, and again get Shift and plus A and go to the camera, select this camera. Now it's ready. Wow, so beautiful. Yes, now it's ready. I'm go to the PNG file, yeah, yes, and select render option item, and render, and then render image. You can select F12. Wow, that's so beautiful, that's so beautiful. Very, very special. So yes, I'm wait to this render. It has been finished, yeah. 400, 460, 480, 500, yes. This number is show how much number to this render is finished. So it's finished, and my picture is ready. I hope you are enjoy of that. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you are use of this website and this software and make animation and image for yourself by AI, Blender, After Effects, Photoshop, and all of software that there are in the world, network, of course, network. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribe my channel. Thank you for support my channel. Thank you for everything that you give me. To another video, my dear friends. Goodbye.